Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming compatibility and grabbing a reliable wallpaper app. If you use Windows, pick Wallpaper Engine or Lively. Mac OS needs a dedicated app. Once done, close resource-heavy programs and save documents so installation can run smoothly. You'll download the installer, run it as administrator if prompted, and follow on-screen prompts. Choose default components unless you need advanced modules. Make sure to note install location and allow permissions for animations and audio if the wallpaper has sound. You now configure scenes and performance. Open the app, grant overlays and audio permissions, then import your chosen file or select a built-in live scene. Once imported, preview, drag to a monitor or use the app's Assign button to set primary versus secondary displays. Next, tweak FPS, scaling, and quality. Choose a performance profile to reduce CPU or GPU load when on battery. If you want audio, enable it and set volume. Save the profile so settings persist after restarts. You finish by enabling auto start and testing with a reboot to ensure the wallpaper loads automatically. If animation is choppy, reduce FPS, lower resolution scaling, or switch to power saving mode. Make sure GPU drivers are up to date. If the app won't launch, run it as administrator, temporarily disable antivirus to rule out blocking, and reinstall using the app's clean install option. One key troubleshooting tip: check the app's log or diagnostics panel for errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.